This is a practice for the subtraction of fractions. You need the following skills before proceeding. Give the answers in their simplest form. Express the answers as mixed numbers if necessary. Evaluate the following differences of fractions. Hint: you need to expand both fractions. Okay. Here are the solutions for question 1 and 2. As well as those for question 3 and 4. Evaluate the following differences of fractions. Hint: you only need to expand one of the fractions in each question. Okay. Here are the solutions for question 5 and 6. As well as those for questions 7 and 8. Evaluate the following differences of fractions. Hints: for each question, the denominators have common factors other than 1. All the answers are proper fractions. Okay. Here are the solutions for question 9 and 10. As well as those for question 11 and 12. Evaluate the following differences of fractions. Hints: for each question, the denominators have common factors other than 1. All the answers are mixed numbers. Okay. Here are the solutions for question 13 and 14. As well as those for question 15 and 16. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.